Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Solid Tech Waves here, TMA's Media. It's your boy DJ Big Bro. Right now we're doing an open box for a brand new Rane 4 DJ controller. It just came in today. I'm gonna open this joint, show y'all what's in the box. I'm gonna do another video showing y'all how the controller get down. It's for Serato DJs, Rane 4. I had the Rane 1, got the Rane 12s. And we about to get this joint open. Let's go. Alright now. We're going to try to open this joint real quick. It's brand new. Didn't even, got it from FedEx and just go straight to the studio. Ready to record this joint. Let's go and see what we got in here. It's the brand new Rane 4 DJ controller 4 channel. Let's see what we got. Go ahead and open this joint real quick. I hope the audio is good because this is a real quick open box. Alright. Okay. I know we got some Rane stickers in here. Got plenty of those already. This drink open up real quick. As y'all see above, we got the quick guide. I don't know whoever really actually read through these. I never read through these. Let me pick this up real quick. Got some oil probably for the crossfader. Got some stickers, some more stickers. I got plenty of these already. I'm gonna put these somewhere in the studio. Change the tricks. Got a free demo version, a sample for Serato pitch. I'm gonna try that out probably on this week. Got some manuals. Alright. Put that right on the floor. I don't think I don't need this anymore. Let's go ahead and open this joint up. So we want to do this. Golly. Toss that. Alright. Now, I'll go ahead and hold this right here. We got the cords right here, right on the side, not even in the box, right here on the side. It got the Rane 4 out the box. I'm gonna do a thumbnail picture real quick. Show y'all how this get down. Oh yeah, fresh. Still got the stickers on this joint. Look at that. Yeah. All right. This is the Rane 4. Fresh. Oh yeah. And it's very, very light. Man, that Rane 1. Whoo. That joint was a little heavy. Go ahead and show y'all above on the camera above how it's gonna look. Okay. Ooh, the wheels feels really good. The wheels feel really, really good. I'm gonna do a quick test. Probably later on this week. Post it again on my YouTube. Pretty smooth. I like how it feel. This is the Rane 4, y'all. Open box. There's nothing much to show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get down this joint. Catch me on the next video. Once again, it's the Rane 4. Just came out. I'm ready to go ahead and test this joint out, y'all. See y'all next video.